and today I'm going to be sharing with you another old-time Bajan recipe. So old that it was something that I loved as a kid. Actually, I still love it today as an adult, so I'm going to share it with you, and it's made from golden apples. Now, in some parts of the world, the golden apple is known as the June plum. Now, I don't know why they call it June plum, because it's available almost every month of the year, but in places like Asia, they call this the June plum. But in Barbados and in other Caribbean countries, we call it the golden apple, and that alone will tell you something about the taste. Today, we're going to be making pickled golden apples. So easy, so quick, it'll be done in like 10 minutes and totally delicious. Let's go over the ingredients. We have 4 golden apples. We're going to peel them shortly. We have half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, if you have regular hot pepper and you don't want to use the powdered one, feel free to use that. We have about 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. Now, this is optional. If you don't want to use onion, you don't have to, but you absolutely must have the other ingredients. And the juice of 1 lime. Washing your golden apples, you're going to go ahead and peel them. Now, if you have a paring knife, that is ideal, but my paring knife seems to have gone AWOL, so I'm going to use a regular knife. If you have a vegetable peeler, you can also use that. We're going to remove all the skin, and the skin for the golden apple is really soft. You can even eat it or use it to make tea. I'll show you how to do that in another recipe, but we're going to remove all of the skin, then I'll show you the next step. Now, in the middle of the golden apple is a large spiky seed, so we can't cut right through it. So we want to remove the flesh of the golden apple, so we're going to cut all around it. And you will see this, as soon as we get to the seed, we know that you are there. Almost done, so we're going to cut all of the pieces of the golden apple. Then we're going to dress it. See this spikiness? Once we have removed as much of the flesh as we possibly could, we'll discard them. Then we're going to dress. So we're going to add our lime juice into a large bowl. We're going to add salt and pepper. This really spices up our pickled apple. Now, if you like it really hot, you can go ahead and add a bit more. You're going to stir. And like I said, it's optional, but you can add the onion. So I'm going to add some onion to it now. And we'll allow this to marinate for about 15 minutes. But as a child, I never waited. As soon as I got it, put the apple with the salt, that was it. We'll allow it to marinate for a few moments. Then we're going to taste. Our pickled apples, done. Smell great. Now, you can use them with ripe apples or green apples. Time to taste. And the juices are all flowing. You have added the lime juice and they're all flowing all over it. Totally marinated. Quick and easy. Now, if you like things hot, this is the recipe you have to try. It pairs well with ice cream or a lovely sorbet, something to cool things down, because you get the heat from the cayenne pepper, and the lime juice just adds this acidity, and the level just goes up and up and up, and it just explodes. Pickled apple, now you need to try it. If you would have enjoyed this golden apple recipe, I want you to look over here, see some other recipes I would have done, and once you've watched them all, just click below, hit the button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.